Okay, let's go to step 2. So once you have your template, it's all cut out, you have your extra sheet of paper. I leave this with it so I can fold it all up and pin them together, and I know right from looking at the front cover what that picture is or what the template is. If you're cutting on Revolution ply, this is the back side, that is the lighter color. This is the front side, that is the darker brown color. I have my 4x8 sheet cut in half, and then I have them cut it into 6 pieces. So there's 5 additional cuts going up and down to get them the smaller size. You can have them, cut them in quarters, you can, right there at Lowe's, which makes it really nice. But when you go to paint on Revolution ply, you'll want to paint on the brown side, but you'll want to cut from the back side. And if you're using your template to also stencil on and know where your lines and everything go, you'll want to cut it from the back. But in doing so, you'll also want to flip and rotate your template over. So I'm going to place this on here and then go ahead and trace around it. So only take just a second. I'm just using just a standard pencil and just going along where the template is and tracing it. That way, when I cut with either my scroll saw or my jigsaw, I will get all my cuts, my lines, and you'll be able to see where I need to cut. Oops, you just keep on going over it. We're going to cut through that anyways. Just holding it here in place, get all the way around it. Sometimes the wood will take you in a different direction. You just go back, make your lines a little bit darker. This is going to be the back side. And when you're done cutting, and then when you get it sanded, you'll be sanding those lines off anyways. So there's my template all penciled in. Now I'm ready to cut. Once I get that cut, I'll be able to put this on the front side. If I want my lines and everything, I can use carbon paper, put that underneath my template on the front side where I will be painting. This is regular tracing paper, carbon paper. You can put that over underneath. You can trace your lines right on, and they'll go onto your wood with this handy paper. So I'm gonna get ready and get my wood cut now.